Okay, so today we're cooking a recipe that I found in my soup cookbook, and we're going to do it in the slow cooker. It's called sausage pasta stew, I think it's called. I just have the recipe saved on my phone, so I have look at it easier. Here I got some chicken sausages on the grill because I couldn't find turkey sausages, even though it originally called for turkey, but I'm going to kind of make it the Dilly way. I'm going to call it the Dilly Special 2.0. And while I'm out here cooking sausages for my soup, I'm out here giving my plants the proper love and care that they need. Worship the sun, guys. Kill the sun summoners. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the sausage up now, that's cool. The smaller bits. Oh, it smells so good already. I just want to eat it. Babe, cutting sausage with, or cutting meat with scissors is the best life hack you've ever shown me. I'm like totally on it now. I'm on cutting stuff with scissors, it's the best. Yeah, I'm just making it more bite-sized, you know. This one's really bite-sized. In the pot. Wash. One moment, please. Okay. So I already did all the labor here, but I got chopped carrots, garlic, something called a long squash, and a red onion. And there's a red bell pepper in there too, I think. Yep, red bell pepper. Mix all that in. Yep, it's gonna be right at the top of this container here. Red kidney beans, and bother trading them because I'm gonna put water in there. Oof, it's good. And today I got some classical tomato basil sauce. Just gonna pour that right in there. The whole thing. Approximately 4 cups of water. Okay, here's another hack too. If you got lots of sauce left and you're adding water, just put the water in here, shake it around a bit. And now I got all that sauce out, most of it. 2, 3, 4. Is that full enough for you? Okay, anyways. Now we put the lid on it and cook it for like 7 to 9 hours on high. Or is it on low? I can't remember. Okay, so I ended up deciding that I'm gonna do it on the high slow cooker mode for 4 hours because I don't want to wait 8 hours for the low. I could slow cook it that long, but I'm really hungry and I want to eat this this today. Okay, secret ingredient. Chopped cilantro, lime juice, just a little bit, probably like 2 or 3 tablespoons. Pour it in. Let's use my finger here. And now I'm going to put a cup and a half. Oh, come on. A cup and a half of these Dilly bows. And what was the last thing? Oh yeah, some peas. Peas and carrots! Ow, fuck, come on a second. Yeah, and then like a cup of peas in there too. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Now I gotta let it simmer for another 20 minutes though. Okay, now that all that's left to do is just season it a bit, which I'm gonna add one of these chicken bouillon cubes because I use chicken sausage. Just break that apart. Delicious. Right? Frickin' fresh ground sea salt. Quite a bit. Fresh ground peppercorn blend. I personally like a lot. Not everybody does. Right. Mix that in there. And one last secret ingredient here. Just a tablespoon of dark brown sugar. There's teaspoon, tablespoon. Boom. All you need, just a little bit of sugar. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Apple titty. Bon appetit.